Hello guys, this is Mr. Rafapa from Somel PSA Tutoring Academy. I'm looking at Northwest Prelim 2023 question under differentiation calculus. We first start with first principle. It also has 5 marks. So remember the first thing, what do we do? We find our f of x plus h. It's very important. So f of x plus h, where we see x, we put x plus h squared. Therefore, 1 minus that x plus h squared is x squared plus 2xh plus h squared. Therefore, 1, this times this is minus x squared minus 2xh minus h squared. So that is my f of x plus h. Therefore, the derivative equals to limit as h approaches 0 of f of x plus h minus f of x. It's very important to always write the formula. You start with the formula. So this is the formula. So limit as h approaches 0, f of x plus h is that. So that is going to be 1 minus x squared minus 2xh minus h squared. That is f of x plus h. Then I minus f of x, which is 1 minus x squared. 1 minus x squared divided by h. Then I go down, limit as h approaches 0, 1 minus x squared minus 2xh minus h squared minus 1 plus x squared over h. Limit as h approaches 0. This cancels out this. This cancels out this because it's 1 minus 1. I'm left with only terms with h, 2xh minus h squared over h. So limit as h approaches 0. So I take out h as a common factor. I'm left with negative 2x minus h over h. Therefore, cancels out. Limit as h approaches 0 of negative 2x minus h. Therefore, what happens? Negative 2x minus 0. That is negative 2x. That's my final answer. I go and check it. If I derive this, it's going to be 0. This times this is minus 2x. So the answer must be minus 2x, of which it is. Then I know that I'm done. So I'm having the dx kind of problems again. That is 3.2.1. I'm having a dx 3x squared minus 2 over x. I'm having a variable as a denominator. I cannot have that, please. 3x squared minus 2x minus 1. I moved that one to the numerator. I hope I explained this much better. If you are watching these videos for the first time, go watch the 2 previous videos first to have a better understanding. So this times this, now I'm answering, is 6x. This times this is plus 2x minus 1 minus 1. Therefore, the final answer is 6x plus 2x minus 2. We are done with that, our brother. Then I'm left with 3.2.2. So they are looking for dy of dx if y equals square root of x in bracket 3 square root of x minus 5x. Okay, so the first thing I must kill the square roots first and simplify this guy. So they want dy dx, so this is still y. So x, this is 1 over 2. 1 over 2. Remember I gave an example with that in one of the previous videos. And therefore this is 1. So this is x 1 over 3 minus 5x. So now I must multiply this one out. This times this. When you multiply powers of same base, you add exponents. So 1 over 2 plus 1 over 3. 1 over 2 plus 1 over 3. That's 5 over 6. Okay, 5 over 6. 5 over 6 minus this times this is going to have 5x, but this is 1. The exponent is 1 there. So 1, a half plus 1, because I'm multiplying powers of the same base. So I must add half and 1. Half and a 1, 3 over 2. So that is 3 over 2. So now I can find my dy over dx. This times this is 5 over 6 x, 5 over 6 minus 1. This times this, 5 times 3 over 2. So it's 3 over 2 times 5. So that is 15 over 2. So it's minus 15 over 2 x, 3 over 2 minus 1. Therefore 5 over 6 x, 5 over 6 minus 1, 5 over 6 minus 1, so that is minus 1 over 6, minus 1 over 6, and then minus 15 over 2 x, 3 over 2 minus 1, so that's 3 over 2, so that is 1 over 2, a 1 over 2. You can leave it right there. Okay, so we are done also with, what province is this? Northwest done. Let's see if we cannot attempt another province.